In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the on-screen emojis to show up on your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do is the emojis, when you do the settings I show you for the emojis are going to be popping up right here in the right hand side corner of the screen where my mouse is at. The emojis are going to be popping up right here. Now I'm going to be showing you two ways on how you can get the emojis to pop up. I'm going to be using the on-screen keyboard so that you know what settings you need to press for the on-screen keyboard so that you can do it on your keyboard. So I'm going to be typing on-screen keyboard. And now I am using the on-screen keyboard so that you know the settings you need to press to get the emojis to pop up on your Windows 10 computer. Now, the first method you need to do is you need to press this Windows key, and then you can either press the period or the colon key right here. You can press either of these two that I have highlighted right here for the emojis. I'm going to be doing the period first. And then you see, when I press the Windows key and the period, the emojis show up on the screen. I'll do it one more time. So press the Windows key, and then you can press the period key or the colon key right here. So I'm going to be doing the period, and then you see the emojis pop up on your screen. Now I'm going to be showing you the second method to get the emoji to pop up on your Windows 10 screen right now. So the second method is you need to press this Windows key again, and then press the colon key right here. Press this button for the colon key, and then your emojis pop up again for your Windows 10 computer on your screen. You see the emojis pop up on your Windows 10 computer. Now what I'm going to be showing you is how you can get the emojis onto a text document right here. I'm going to be heading to the notes icon right here. I'm going to be heading to a notes document, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can get the emojis to pop up. But I do not recommend you, if you want to type with the emojis, to use the on-screen keyboard, because I'll show you why you do not want to use the on-screen keyboard in a minute. So press the Windows key, then press the period or the colon key, and then you see the emojis pop up. But if you want to type on the screen, you just saw that the emojis went away. So you need to do the steps I show you to get the emojis on your physical keyboard you have. So press the Windows key, press the period or the colon key. Then you see the emoji pop up, and you can do whatever you want. You can do emojis right here. The emojis are going to be coming up as black and white emojis. They're not going to be coming in color. You see, I am typing any emoji on the screen, and then the emojis are going to be popping up. You even have right here this key emoji, which are the faces that you can do. You can do a bunch of faces for the emojis right here. You see, I do one right here. Then the emoji faces are coming up on the screen. You see, any emoji face that I type on the screen is going to be showing up on the text document right here. Now you have this one, which is the symbols. You have symbols right here for your emojis to pop up. All these emojis I'm showing you work with any text document or any social media or anywhere you want to paste, anywhere you can put emojis on, and then it will work. You see, I am typing in the emojis, and the emojis come in black and white. So that's it for this video, guys. How you can get the emojis to pop up on your Windows 10 computer for free. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these ones.